Disney, Lady and the Tramp, A Night Out. Lady is excited to look after the baby when Mr. and Mrs. Darling take a vacation. But then Aunt Sarah arrives to help too. Aunt Sarah brings her twin cats, and they are up to no good. Lady does her best to contain their mischief, but she is outnumbered. Lady finds the cats in the baby's room, just as they knock the crib over. Aunt Sarah walks in and blames Lady. As punishment, she makes Lady wear a muzzle. Lady escapes, but she runs into danger as she flees. A dog named Tramp leaps into action and guides Lady to safety. "We've got to get this muzzle off," he says. "I know just the place." "The zoo?" Lady asks. "Follow me," Tramp says. He distracts the guard and they slip through the gate. The dogs see a beaver struggling to move a log. "What you need is this log puller," says Tramp. Mr. Busy's teeth snip the muzzle strap and Lady is free. Tramp takes Lady out to celebrate. Tramp's fenceless world intrigues Lady, but the smell coming from Tony's kitchen excites her even more. While Lady and Tramp share a delicious dish of spaghetti and meatballs, Tony and Joe serenade them with songs of the beautiful night. The town's lights twinkle as Tramp tries to talk Lady out of returning home. "There's a big world without collars or fences," he says. "It sounds wonderful," Lady says. "But who'd watch over the baby?" Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney stories, check out my Disney playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.